Good morning children, welcome to video class. See children, now I am going to explain to you about lesson 3, the value of time. What is the lesson name children? Lesson 3, value of time. See children, here two characters are there. Previously I have explained you half part of the lesson. What are the two characters? Bhikkhu and his father. Bhikkhu and his father. Father is a farmer. Father is farmer. See children, in the previous part of the lesson, I have explained you about Bhikkhu and his father. Bhikkhu, what he is doing? He is a very lazy boy. Every time he is gossiping, sleeping, nothing he is doing. He doesn't listen to his father, and his father is a very hard-working person. From morning sunrise to evening sunset, he used to work in the field. I have explained you in the previous first half of the lesson children. Now second part of the lesson, I am going to explain you about the second part of the lesson. See children, one day what happened? One day Bhikkhu's father called him and said, far away in the field there is a barren tree. Barren tree means children, it doesn't produce any vegetation. It is not useful for vegetation, means it doesn't give any fruits, flowers or anything. It doesn't produce any vegetation. That's in the far away in the field there is a barren tree. In that barren tree, in the hollow of that barren tree means in the, see children here, this is a barren tree. In the hollow of the tree means there is a hole. In that hole, his father, Bhikkhu's father, put a bag full of gold. He told Bhikkhu, today you go to that field, there is a barren tree, bring that bag full of gold to home. Now you just do that work. Bhikkhu was very excited on hearing his father's words. He was very excited, he felt very amazing. So then his father went away. He told Bhikkhu a work and went away. What is that work children? Bring that bag full of gold from that hollow tree. What his father told? Early morning you go, because that gold was covered by dry leaves. Dry leaves children. Dry leaves. By who covered that gold by dry leaves? A bird. A bird has covered that hole, that hollow by dry leaves by a bird. Who children? A bird has covered that hollow. So that the bag full of gold is, nobody can see that bag full of gold. Go early morning, because that bird will go for search in a prey. Means it go for food. So no one can, the bird also doesn't object. So you go early morning and bring that. His father had told him a work. The Bhikkhu also was amazed and surprised. But what happened after his father went to the field, went outside from the home? Bhikkhu was thought, what? Why hurry? We can do that work tomorrow. What is there? Because Bhikkhu is a very lazy boy. So he will postpone the work. His work is what? He doesn't do any work. Just he will be gossiping every time and chit-chatting with his neighbors. So what happened after his father went? He told for himself only. Why now hurry? Tomorrow we can go. Or day after tomorrow we can do that work. What is there? Because Bhikkhu doesn't have value of time. He doesn't follow the value of time. So what he did? He postponed that work. He postponed the work. What his father had told him, he postponed that work, and just again he went with his friends. He started chit-chatting with his friends. What he did children? He postponed the work. What his father had told, he postponed the work. Now, in that moment, what happened? One poor woodcutter children. Poor woodcutter. Who children? Poor woodcutter. Poor woodcutter children. He is passing from that barren tree. The poor woodcutter is passing from that barren tree. He saw that tree. It's very dry. This tree is very dry. We can cut it very easily. So he thought, he started with his axe. See children, this is axe. The poor woodcutter started cutting the tree. that gold is, who put that gold, children? Bhiku's father. That gold, it fell on the ground. The farmer was that poor woodcutter, sorry children, the poor woodcutter was very surprised. What this gold has come from that barren tree, from that hollow of the barren tree. He was very surprised, and he took that bag full of gold. The poor woodcutter took the bag full of gold to his home. What happened, children? His bag full of gold was taken away by the poor woodcutter. Now, what happened, children? That Bhikkhu, what happened? Bhikkhu postponed the work, and what happened? He lost the fortune. If he would have he would have acted on the spur of the moment, he would become the Bhikkhu and his father would have become a very rich people. What happened? The Bhikkhu's laziness cost him a fortune. Children. Because Bhikkhu is a very lazy boy. See, children, Bhikkhu, with his laziness, he left by the poor Bhikkhu and his thus Bhikkhu's laziness cost him a fortune. If he would have acted on the spur of that moment, the Bhikkhu and his father have been rich people. But what happens, children? Bhikkhu's laziness has cost him a fortune. Repentance would not bring the gold back. If you would feel sorry, also what will happen, children? The gold will not come back. So So children, this Bhikkhu's laziness, he doesn't have the value of time. He doesn't have. As soon as when his father told him to do the work, they would have become a rich people. So children, everyone should be very active. Tomorrow's work we should do today. What we have planned to do tomorrow, we should do the work today. What we have planned to do the work today, we should do now itself. Now itself we should do the work, children. Because once it is lost forever. Once we lost anything, the time or gold or money will not come back. Once we lost, it is lost forever, children. So, from this lesson, we should learn from Bhikkhu. What we should learn from Bhikkhu, children? We should be very active. Now, every time we should be active. So, children, in lesson 3, if you have the term book, read the lesson. By this video, you understand the Bhikkhu, what is the character of Bhikkhu, what is the character of farmer, how farmer he tried to make his son active, how we should be on the spur of the moment, we should act on the spur of the moment. See, children, read the lesson and try to, by this help of the video, you try to read the lesson and try to explain those hard words, children. Thank you, children.